Hey, what's up? And in this quick guide, I'll show you how to cap your FPS using RivaTuner. If you've been searching for a way to do this, you're in the right place. Why cap your FPS with RivaTuner? Unlike in-game FPS caps, RivaTuner provides a smoother experience by making your FPS more stable. This can help with reducing screen tearing, improving input latency in some games, lower power usage, great for laptops, less heat and fan noise, making your PC last longer. Step 1. Download and install RivaTuner. Head to the download link. I'll leave it in the description. Click one of the two download buttons. Both work fine. Open the downloaded file and run the installer. It's a simple setup. Just keep clicking Next until it's installed. Step 2. Open RivaTuner. Open your Start menu, search for RivaTuner Statistics Server, and launch it. You might not see anything at first. Don't worry. Look at your taskbar, bottom right of your screen. Click the RivaTuner icon to open it. Step 3. Set your FPS limit. In RivaTuner, find the Framerate limit box. Click on it and enter your desired FPS, 60, 120, or 300. Hit Enter, and that's it. Your FPS is now capped. If RivaTuner isn't affecting your game, try increasing the detection level or disabling stealth mode, useful for games with anti-cheat. Step 4. Enable FPS Counter. Want to see your FPS in-game? Make sure Show Own Statistics is turned on in RivaTuner. If you use MSI Afterburner or other overlays, they might override RivaTuner's FPS Counter, so check your settings. That's it. Now you know how to cap your FPS and display it in any game. If you found this helpful, drop a like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.